Hi guys, it's me Jen. Welcome to my channel. I'm very excited today with this video and this pencil case that I made using a recycled plastic that I got from the what store? Shein side, I think. I'm so excited. I love recycling and I think it's great as a pencil case or maybe for putting your beauty products, whatever, it's useful. So let's get started. I'm using this plastic where normally t-shirts or underwear come in stores, and I'm going to cut a rectangle. You can use any size you want. I'm just using my zipper as a reference and I'm cutting it off. I have to admit that this is the second try. I tried another one and it was a fail, but this one I really got the technique and I wanted to share it with you. That's why you can see the barcode there. But anyways, it looks amazing. Going to stick the edges, the sides at the bottom and at the sides so it's not open. And for doing so, I'm using this type of paper that you use for the oven, and I'm using the iron. You can also use the ones that you use for straightening your hair, but because I don't straighten my hair, I'm using my plain iron. And as you can see, you just fold it, and with the heat, the plastic just sticks together and it's fantastic. I also like to fold it so it's a little bit more secure, as you can see in the video. Now that we have the bottom part done, we are going to do this side. You have to be careful with the iron. Just make sure that you fold the wax paper and you keep your fingers far away from it because it really burns, guys. You have to be careful. And if you are very little, ask your mom and dad to help you. Now we're going to flip it inside out and we're going to have our base of the pencil case. And this is how it looks. Isn't it amazing? Without sewing, so fast, so fun to make, and we are recycling. Now we're just going to grab our hot glue gun and our zipper, and we are going to just stick each side of the zipper to the inside of the pencil case so we can open it and close it. As you can see in the video, I'm just lifting a little bit the plastic, putting the zipper inside, and I'm just pressing gently because it burns a little the plastic to the zipper. Don't worry on how it looks because we're going to do something fantastic at the end just to decorate it and to make it look neat and professional and very nice. Now you just have to flip it over and repeat the same steps on the other side. Finally, I'm using this glitter foam that is beautiful, and I'm cutting a thin strip that I'm going to just stick all around the top of our pencil case so it just covers all the ugly part of the zipper sticking to the pencil case. And this is very simple. When you get to the end, you just have to cut the excess and you are ready. And well, this is how it looks. And now I decided to use the remain strip of foam and to make a holder for the pencil case. So I'm just folding it in half and sticking it to one side using a lot of glue. And that's it, we finished. This is how it looks. I was thinking that it would be very cool to put some stickers on it because it's transparent, or maybe to write your name using some acrylic paint or Sharpie. Overall, I think it looks amazing. I love to have the holder because it's very easy to carry it. And yeah, this is how it looks. I hope that you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye!